Wait, don't skip this video, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secret trick that will make you remember all 12 English tenses for the rest of your life. No boring grammar, no confusion. Just one story, one formula, and one smart trick. Are you ready? Let's begin. Great. Step 1. Understand the 3 times. Past, present, future. There are only 3 times in English: past, present, and future. Think of them like 3 roads. One behind you, past. One where you stand, present. One where you're going, future. Now, here comes the twist. Each road has 4 houses. A simple, a continuous, perfect, a perfect continuous. So 3 times x, 4 houses, 4 hours, 12 tenses. That's it. You already know the base. Step 2, the magic formula. Subject plus verb plus time. Repeat after me. Subject plus verb plus time. Tense. Now let's go one by one. And remember, I'll give you a short life trick for each tense. 1 simple present. E formula, subject, first form of verb, plus SS. Example, I eat breakfast at 8. Trick, daily routine or habit, tark, simple present. And if it happens every day, it's simple present. Do, present continuous. Key formula, subject plus ams are plus verb plusing. Example, I am eating breakfast. Trick, action happening right now. 3. Present perfect. Our formula, subject plus has, have, plus third form of verb. Example, I have eaten breakfast. Trick, action just finished or result visible now. 4. Present perfect continuous. A formula, subject, commas have been plus verb plusing. Example, I have been studying for 2 hours. A trick. Use this when something started in the past and is still going on. Wait, we're not done yet. Let's travel into the past. A 5. Simple past. A formula, subject, second form of verb. Example, I ate breakfast. Trick. If it's finished and has a time word like yesterday, last night, or ago, it's simple past. 6. Past continuous. Formula, subject, plus word play verb plottings. An example, I was eating breakfast when you called. Tick, it shows interrupted action. I was doing A when B happened. 7. Past perfect. I formula, subject plus, had plus third form of verb. Example, I had eaten before you came. Trick, 2 past actions. Use past perfect for the first one. At the past perfect continuous. Formula, subject plus, had been plus verb plus ing. Example, I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam. Trick, long past action that continued up to another past moment. And now, let's jump into the future, the world of dreams and plans. To simple future, formula, subject plus will plus first form of verb. Example, I will eat breakfast later. Trick, anything you decide now for later. Simple future.